Hello, good morning. I am Olanrewaju Olatunde. In this practical course, we will be having a hands-on session with one of the Google apps for education called Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization app which allows users to store files on Google Cloud servers, synchronize the files across multiple devices, and share those files. As a collaboration app, Google Drive can be integrated with Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides. We will be looking at both of those three in a later video. One aspect of Google Drive is that Google gives you 15 gig of storage with your Google account, and this can be used by Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. You can also share files across multiple devices, such as your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. One important feature about Google Drive is that you can mark files as offline and then access those files without the need of connecting to the internet. So, let's get started on how to use Google Drive. For you to access Google Drive, you come to google.com/drive. It brings you to this home page and then you click on Go to Drive. It asks you to input your email address and your password for you to be able to access the drive. So, here is your Google Drive dashboard. This is what you see when you first log in. You have a quick access toolbar which shows you any files that has been opened recently, and then you have another file from here from Google which is called Getting Started. So on the left hand panel you have your new. If you click on it, you can create a new folder, you can upload the file, you can upload the folder, and then you have these three tools here in which you can access your Google Doc or Google Sheet or Google Slide from your Google Drive. We'll talk more about this theory later on. And then you have files that has been shared with you. You have recent files, you have stored, and you have trash. Now, in order for us to get started, you also, when you click on this arrow by your drive, you also have the same toolkit that we saw by doing that. Now what we are going to do is try to upload a file. So click on that. I have a file here called Fundamentals of Computer Studies. I click on it, and see on this right hand side, you see it says one upload complete. And then if I click on close, I can't access this. It's already here. So I open it, I see this is actually the PDF file that we just uploaded, and then we can go through it, and that's it. Now, one other thing is we can upload a folder as well. For example, if I click on this and I click on upload folder, I come here and I say I want to upload a folder called sample. In my sample folder, upload, and then it says this will upload all files from sample. Only do this if you trust the site. So upload, and then it uploads. Now, my sample folder consists of two things. It consists of a video and the PDF file we uploaded earlier on. So it says here upload complete. So when I close it and I go here, I see folder sample. The file we uploaded earlier is categorized under file. I click on sample, and then I can see the file and an MP4 file. So if I click on this, it will also allow me to download this file on my system. So now we are going to go into sharing. If I click on this and I right click on it, I have these options. I can preview, I can open with, I can share, I can get shareable link, I can do everything. I can rename, I can view details, different versions, make a copy, download it. If somebody has shared it with me, I can be able to download it on my own system. So we go to share. So this is it. It says share with people or groups. Now, if I want to share with somebody, I can say, let me share with myself. So I'm sharing my says notify these people. Hi, I am sharing these files with you. So you can also choose the role of the person you are sharing your folder or your files with. It can be an editor wherein they have access to edit the file, such as you. They can be a commenter wherein they can edit, but they cannot probably not do admin features like delete. And then they can be a viewer where they don't have any right to delete or to even edit it. So we choose the editor and then we click on send. So it says person added. If I go to my other account, I would see that somebody has sent me a notification to access this file from there. So now under shared with me, nobody has shared anything with us, so we can't see it. So let's go back to our drive and let's click on share files. Another thing we can do is to get shareable link. This one allows us to click on this link and send to somebody else. Let's say we click on copy link and then we send that link to our friends and ask them to do it. So it says here restricted. Only people added can open with this link. So if I've not yet added somebody on this particular file, they wouldn't be able to access even if they have the link. So across you have here you have get shareable link, you have share this as well. Get it done, we can share it with multiple people, and then you see editors can change permission and share. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. So we can also preview, we can delete, and then more action just like we have it there. We can view the details. So that is all about uploading files and folders on Google Drive and then sharing them with your friends or with your colleagues at at your department, in class, or for you to even collaborate together. So in the next class, we will be looking at Google Document and how to use that in your coursework. I hope you find this video very informative and I say thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.